after using the back of the teammates. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul. After using the back of the teammates. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball. We are live here at ADNU University Gymnasium for your Juniors edition. This is J.R. Pargo, your commentator for this afternoon. It's the matchup we are waiting for. The defending champion NCF Junior Cavs versus the Shepherdville Junior Rams. The Shepherdville Rams ay nanalo ng kanilang unang laro in the expense of the St. Joseph School Dragons. Ito namang Naga College Foundation Junior Cavs ay unang laro nila. Kaya abangan po natin ang pagsisimula ng ating third game. We are live here at GNTV-Naga Facebook page at Bucal Facebook page. At we are live here at ADNU University Gymnasium. Ngayon po magsisimula na ang ating laro with the first five of both teams. We would like to give thanks to our Bucal Board of Officers, headed by our President, Engineer Mario Villanueva, Vice President John Francis Rielobit, Treasurer Joseph Eric Claro, Secretary Don Razon, Auditor Dwight Lamet. And we would like to give thanks to our sponsors, the Naga College Foundation, Trinity Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Congressman Gabi Bordado, 3rd District Camarines Sur, Lemon Residences, Mangcoks Kinalas, Mansonic Security Agency, NCF Wings, DLMR Psychometric Center, Nagayon Travels and Tours, Doña Osang Restaurant and Catering Services, Camsur Viae, V-Art Gallery by NCF, Cap Azon Peñaflor, NCF Driving School, Will and Sense, SM City Naga, Tigers Cafe, Wow Worlds of Water, AET, Graphics and Ads, and NCF Training Pool. Ito po, it's the ball coming from the Shepherd, gets by number 28. Number 15 now. First 3-point of the ball game. We have 5 against 0. 8 minutes 54 seconds. Number 9 of the NCF Junior Cavs. Penetration, there's a whistle. We have foul called on number 15. Inbounding the ball is number 9. But before that, we would like to give to our courtside reporter Miss Kim. We're back live here at Ateneo Gymnasium for the free throw of the Junior Cavs. It's 1 against 5, 8 minutes and 38 seconds. Pakinggan ulit natin ang ating courtside reporter, Kim. Hello, Kim. Kumusta ka? Babalikan natin mamaya si Kim at may technical problem lang tayo. Pero eto, bumawi ang Junior Cavs 3 against 5 with 8 minutes. Another 3 points by Junior Rams. We would like to give thanks to the SBP Naga City referee headed by Emmanuel Faraon. Then the technical commissioner, Jim Cadores. And our crew chief for this matchup, it's Bong Julia. Umpire 1 is Ronnie Maleniza, and umpire 2 is Bunanong Chomatera. Our table officials, Rosel Ponting, Lourdes Orsena, and Macklin Gamil. Maraming salamat po, SBP Naga Elite Referee. Eto ngayon, ibang klase ang pinapakita ng Junior Rams dito. They are ahead by 7 points sa ating first period. Number 18, there's a blocking foul called on number 24. Eto, 7 minutes 14 seconds. Babalikan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim. Kim, kumusta ka dyan? Ano ang update sa both teams?
Coach JR, good afternoon indeed. We've got two big, powerful teams vying to triumph in this elimination round. The Shepherdville Junior Rams, all the way from Tigaon, Camarines, are aiming to be the next Bucal champion, and the NSCF Tigers rolling to defend the title. For the Junior Rams side, ayon kay team captain Carl Posada, number 15, this is their opportunity to bounce back against NCF that caused them a defeat during the NBTC League. Ibinahagi ni Carl na araw-araw at 6 a.m. ay umarangkada na daw sila para mag-road run, mag-ensayo at magpalakas. Dagdag naman ni Kian Surya, number 55, ang goal niya naman sa laro na ito ay masiguro ang kanyang outside shooting at maiswing ang bola ng maayos. Ramdam ang lakas ng kumpiyansa ng Junior Rams na maiuwi ang panalo, declaring that they are prepared for this battle. Samantala for the Tigers side, walang patid na tactics, rehearsal, shooting forms, pagpapakondisyon at pag-review ng set plays ng Shepherdville ang kanilang ilan sa mga naging paghahanda for this game. Both teams had tremendous rehearsal and conditioning for this very day. Kaya naman we can do nothing but brace ourselves as we watch both teams bring honor to their respective schools. Sino kaya ang magwawagi, Coach JR? We'll see. Balik mo na sa'yo, Coach.
Thank you very much, Kim, sa napakaganda at very updated for both teams. Ito nga, nabanggit nga ng ating courtside reporter. Both teams nag-practice, nagkaroon ng adjustments, at parehong galing sa NBTC tournament. Kaya ito, magandang laban ang ibibigay sa atin ng Junior Rams at Junior Cavs. But before that, thank you very much sa ating Facebook Live viewers. At marami ang nagpapa-shoutout. Shoutout to Arnaldo Magalong. Ito, idol ko to. Shout out sa iyo at sa lahat po ng sumusubaybay, tumatangkilik at sumusuporta sa ating Bucal Junior Basketball. Maraming salamat. And gusto ko rin pasalamatan ang GNN family headed by our Technical Director, Engineer RJ Ribidorial, the cameraman, Carlo Naldoza, Jamison Brinya, and GNN Ricky Nuez. And sa napakasipag na admin ng GNN, Miss Irene Tosok. Maraming salamat sa GNN TV-48 Naga. What a move! What a shot by Palahe. Ito, unti-unti nang nakaka-recover ang Junior Cavs. Man-to-man trapping, pero ito, nakawala. Number 28. There's a whistle. At makikitaan ng foul dito. Si number 3 ng Junior Cavs. Both teams ay nasa adjustment period at gusto nating batiin ang coaching staff ng SHEPERDVILLE Junior Rams headed by their head coach Eduardo Contante Jr. at ang kanilang mga assistant coaches Jan Gabriel Contante, Razel Contante, Edsel Contante, Michael Capis, Al Francis Requinta, and Jomel Isaac. Dito naman sa Junior Cavs ng Naga College Foundation, ang kanilang coaching staff headed by their head coach, Genesis G. Multo Jr., assistant coaches, Shri Brian Lucido, Brian Ayo, Antonio Gabriel de Vera, Alexander Lim, Mark Lizano, and Kyle Marilla. We have a timeout with 4 minutes and 51 seconds, a running score 9-13. This is your Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball. Live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 might send a foul. Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 might send a foul.
We are back live here at ADNU University Gymnasium for your Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball. Ito po, lamang ang Junior Rams ng 4 with 4 minutes and 51 seconds. Gusto kong i-shoutout at batiin ang aking idol coach from Iriga City, Coach Ray Iraula. Happy viewing, Coach Ray. At sinoutout dyan siya ni player si Mr. Magalong. At shoutout po sa mga nanonood, Howell San Juan, Kevin Aragon, Lawrence Abelon, Junel Sangalang, Maria Corazon Contante. Maraming salamat po. Rebounded the ball. It's number 22. Dribbles the basketball, signaling for a play. Being harassed by number 5. Swing ball. Inside pass. Palahe. No good. Rebound but number 20. Number 15 now gets the basketball. Being harassed by number 22. It's number 15 to the corner. Penetration, sidestep. What a move by number 25. It's Abareta now to his teammate looking for the set to number 3. Swing ball to Abareta, number 22. Inside play, back to number 25, to number 20, to fakes, penetration, middle, scoop shot, no good. Ang ganda ng depensa ng Shepherdville Junior Rams at natawagan sila ng 24-second shot clock violation. Ito, magpapalit ng player. Number 1 coming in, Fabricante, papalitan si number 3, Lavandero. At nagpalit na din ang Junior Rams. Overpass, dribbles the basketball, intercepted by number 16. Eto, sabi ni referee Ronnie Malinisa, same ball. 3 minutes 33 seconds, 9 against 15, lamang ng 6 ang Junior Rams. At maraming salamat sa patuloy na sumusubaybay, tumatangkilik po sa ating Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball Edition. Ito, pumasok na si Peña Verde at pinalitan si Balani. Number 18. Swing ball, corner shot, overshoot it, rebounded by his teammate. No good, scrambles for the ball. Peña Verde now dribbles the basketball. Drop pass to his teammate. What a connection by Peña Verde to number 16. Dribbles the basketball. Ito, nag-full court trapping ang Junior Cavs. Pero naitawid ng mainahon ng Junior Rams. Number 18, setting for the play. 7-second shot clock. 25, post move, number 20. Ito, magandang depensa ang ipinakita ng Junior Cavs dito at na-stop nila ang Junior Rams. Number 22 now, Abareta inbounding the ball. Pass to Peña Verde, back to Abareta, crossing the midcourt. Ito po, nagsisignal ng play. Bibigyan ng pick ni Fabricante, gets the basketball, swing ball to Abareta, corner, Peña Verde, penetration. What a layup by Peña Verde! And a connection for a foul. Gandang swing ball, strong side to weak side attack. Grabe kung lumipad si Peña Verde. Nang dahil sa shoot na Peña Verde, bibigyan siya ng bonus free throw dito. Maraming salamat po sa ating sponsors, Naga College Foundation, 3D Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, Congressman Gabi Bordado, 3rd District, Camarines and Lemon Residences. Hindi na kompleto ni Peña Verde ang gandang trapping pero naiwasan ng Junior Rams. Penetration, scoop shot for 2 points by number 3. It's Abareta now, signaling for a play. Binigay sa corner, right corner, Realo, back to Peña Verde. Peña Verde being harassed by number 9. Swing ball to Abareta. Short corner for 3. That 3-point is brought to you by LCF Wings. Tigers can have wings also. Intercepted. Ito, pagpasok ni Peña Verde, na iba ang complex ng laro. Peña Verde giving 2 free throws. With 16 against 17, isang punto na lang ang lamang ng Junior Rams. 1 minute 56 seconds sa ating first period. Yun, nabati ko na po, Idol Magalong, si Coach Ray Raula. Ito, Jumpers get ready for the last throw of number 4. It's Peña Verde. We are tied for the first time sa ating first period. Ito, 1-2 trapping ang ginagawa ng Junior Cavs. Pero nalusutan yon, hindi lang na-convert ng Junior Rams. Ito, rebounded. It's Abareta now, dribbles the basketball, swing ball to his teammate. Crossover to Fabricante, short corner, no good. It's Junior Rams Basketball with 1 minute and 30 seconds. Shoutout ko si Mark Avril Parco. Yan. Good luck, Junior Rams. Sabi ni Jomel Isaac, there's a whistle by referee Bonanong Chumasera. Foul on number 1. Bibigyan ng 2 free throws si number 25. We are tied 17-17 with 1 minute and 22 seconds. At nagpalit ng 2 player ang Junior Rams. First free throw of number 25 makes it to edge by 1 point. We would like to give thanks to the Bucal Board of Officers, our board members, Francisco Para Jr. of UNC and John Francis Rialubit of UNC. Commissioner for Basketball Juniors, Sir Don Razon. Tournament Manager for Bucal Season 4 Basketball, Sir Dwight Lamit. Tournament Secretary, Sofia Benemerito. Commissioner for Volleyball, Roel Rosales, and Tournament Manager for Volleyball, Francisco Para Jr. Yan, may basketball po kasi tayo and volleyball. Intercepted, gets the 2 points by number 16, number 34 now of Junior Rams. Intercepted by Fabricante, number 24 now, Rialo, scoop shot for 2 points. Eto ngayon, lumamang na po ang Junior Cubs sa kanilang trapping defense at hindi nako-convert ng Junior Rams dito. Ito number 25, no good. Rebounded. Abareta now gets the basketball. There's a whistle. Gandang step through ni Abareta doon. Tinawagan ng foul ang Junior Rams. It's 14 seconds ang natitira sa ating first period. Bibigyan ng 2 free throws si number 22 Abareta with 21-18. Yan, happy viewing to Sharif Lopez. And happy viewing to Coach John Paul P. Diswanco. Yan. 2 free throws at line violation yung nag-free throw na si Abareta. At 13 seconds will be the last shot of the Junior Rams. 21 against 18. Lamang po ang Junior Cubs. Number 34, inbounded the ball pass to number 15. Ito, being harassed by Abareta. Pass to his teammate. Inside play. Drop pass. Fakes. Drop step. Linabas ng kampi. Fake. What a block by Piña Verde. Over the outstretched arm of number 25. Grabe yung talon ng Piña Verde dito. Number 25 now. Inbounded the ball. 1 second. Good for 2 points. Pero titingnan natin kung iba-basket ng referee.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. after using the block of the teammates. All the way, number 2 makes in a foul.
We are back live here at ADNU University Gymnasium for your Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball. We are live here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm with my guest commentator, LA, sa ating pagbubukas ng Bucal Season 4. Good afternoon, LA. Kumusta at naupo ka na dito bilang intern commentator ng GNN Sports TV?
Thank you so much, Coach JR. Thank you for having me right now as intern commentator of GNN Sports TV. And dati pangarap ko lang talaga maging commentator, pero ngayon live ko nang napapanood ang Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball matchup here at ADNU University Gymnasium.
Thank you very much, LA. Pero ito, LA, sa lahat ng trainings natin, naupo ka na dito at naging intern commentator ka ng GNN. Ano ang nararamdaman mo at ano ang masasabi mo at nakaupo ka dito para sa Bucal Season 4 ng junior basketball natin?
Usually kinakabahan and excited din at the same time kasi iba ito. Yung dati, napapanood ko lang on screen live. Pero dito, live na live at mainit ang bakbakan between these two teams.
Yun. Thank you very much, LA. Mamaya, babalikan kita. We are back dito sa ating laro with number 22 to number 18. Shoot it for corner 3 points. Eto talaga si Lucido. Markman, very strict shooter talaga. Number 28 now. Pass to number 19. Kick out to number 15. Lamang na dito ng 6 ang NCF Junior Cavs, pero pinutol ng number 3 ng Junior Rams at babalik sa 4 ang lamang ng Junior Cavs. Abareta now dribbles the basketball, pass to Palahe. Palahe now, penetration, step through, kulang lang yun, pero ang ganda ng move ng big man na yun, pero nakuha niya. Eto, tatawagan siya ng traveling at babalik ako sa iyo, LA. Basahin mo muna ang ating mga Facebook followers at mga comments nila live dito sa GNN TV48 Facebook page at Bucal Facebook page.
Yun, Coach JR, shout out kay number 25, Anton Aquino of the Shepherd Junior Rams. And shoutout din kay March Ventasar na sumusuporta sa Junior Cavs. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
Maraming salamat, LA. Eto na, back to the ball game tayo with number 15 now. Dribbles the basketball, penetration with 7 minutes and 52 seconds. But before that, let's hear sa ating courtside reporter na si Kim kung ano ang update. Miss Kim, kumusta dyan?
Yes, Coach JR. Coach Momo was quick to change the game plan during the first wing as he noticed na na-anticipate daw ng Shepherdville ang kanilang set play. Nasundan ito ng tactic adjustment at pag-remind ng Rose na dapat gampanan ng bawat Tigre. Samantala, matinding performance naman agad ang pinapamalas ni Aaron Abareta, number 22, as a response to his promise that he will not leave any words but will just let his performance speak all throughout the game. Mamaya ay alamin natin ang kaganapan sa kabilang kupunan. Back to you, Coach JR.
Thank you very much, Kim, sa napakalinaw at napakagandang information. Ito nga, it's between the coaches adjustment kung bakit lumamang, nahabol at lumamang ulit. Kaya ito, aabangan natin ang pagbabalik ng both teams sa kanilang adjustment na ginagawa. It's the trapping offense and the trapping defense. Transition offense pa din ang ginagawa ng Junior Cavs at dito naman sa Junior Rams. It's the adjustment kung paano nila pipigilan ang trapping defense ng Junior Cavs at paano din nila itatawid ang bola with the transition offense na napakabilis na ginagawa ng Junior Cavs. Aabangan po natin yan. Balik tayo sa ball game with 27-22, 7 minutes 2 seconds. Eto LA, kasama pa rin kita dito sa second period. Any observation ang nagagawa ng both teams dito? Mayroon ka bang katanungan na nakahanda dyan para at least malaman ng viewers kung ano ang own perspective mo sa ball game na ito?
Alam mo, Coach JR, personally, wala talaga akong alam about sa basketball terminologies kasi player ako ng taekwondo and football. Pero matanong kita, Coach, since isa kang coach sa basketball, ano kaya yung depensa na ginagawa ng Junior Cubs habang nasa ball possession ng Junior Rams?
Yon, very good question yun, LA. Ito kasi, nag-adjust si Coach Momo ng Junior Cubs. Galing siya sa man-to-man half-court. Ginawa niya ngayon, kung matitingnan mo, it's a full-court trapping with diamond defense. It's a 1-2-1-1 kung saan hirap na hirap ang Junior Rams na itawid ang bola dito. It's a full-court trapping pero 1-2-1-1 diamond defense, LA, ang ginagawa ng Junior Cubs.
At ito pa nga, Coach, may isa pa akong question. Speaking of 1-2-1-1, ano kaya yung sinisigaw ng coach na 1-2-2, 1-2-2? Ano kaya ibig sabihin ng 1-2-2 na ito?
Yon, defense din yon, half-court defense. Pag 1-2-2. Pag ganyan kasi yung 1-2-2, half-court defense, ang ginagawa niyan pag may mga shooters, lalo na sa wing. Kaya nag-a-adjust din ang coaches. Yon, sana nasagot ko, LA, ang iyong mga katanungan. Pero babalik muna tayo sa ball game na ito. Number 1 now, dribbles the basketball. Signaling for a play. Harassed by number 18. Corner, fakes, step back, 3 points. No good. Yon, all alone si number 3. 32-26. Lamang ng 6 ang Junior Cubs with 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Ito ngayon, bola ng Junior Cubs. Right corner, back to short corner. Dribbles si basket. Ito, nagbigay ng pick ang dalawang kakampi niya. Pero may tinawag na whistle si referee Bonanong Somasera. Nang dahil sa foul na yon, we have a timeout called by the NCF Junior Cubs with 5 minutes and 8 seconds, 32-26, lamang ng 6 ang Junior Cubs. This is your Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball. Only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
ADNU University Gymnasium for your Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball. We have 5 minutes and 8 seconds left here at our game clock. At 6 points ang kalamangan ng NCF Tigers, Coach JR.
Yes, LA. Eto na nga, babalik tayo sa ball game. Hirap na hirap talaga ang Junior Rams kung paano aalagpasan ang full court trapping na ginagawa ng Junior Camps. Pero nakitaan ng offensive foul si number 10 Palae ng Junior Cubs. Eto na naman LA, kung makikita mo, it's a 1-2-1-1 trapping. It's a diamond trapping kung saan number 1 now out that pass at nag-error na naman ang Junior Rams dito. We have a change of player. Number 8 Tres Valles is coming in at ilalabas, papahingahin si number 10 Palahe. Eto ngayon Losido, number 18. Pass to number 9, Okray. Inside to Tres Valles. Ang problema noon, magandang intensyon, ipasa, pero hindi nakita ng kanyang teammate. Alam mo kasi LA, pag ganyan, pag ipapasa mo ang bola, you should have eye-to-eye contact bago mo ipasa ang bola. Yun ang nangyari. Nag-error tuloy sila. Eto naman, number 9, intercepted again. Barata na out, dribbles the basketball, drop pass to Lucido, pero andun yung depensa, pero matatawagan ng foul si number 3. It's Reyes. 4 minutes 8 seconds with 32-26. Lamang ng 6 ang Junior Cubs dito with 2 free throws. Si Aaron Abareta. Eto ngayon, LA, basahin mo muna ang ating Facebook live comments ng Bucal Facebook page at GNN Sports TV.
Ito nga, Coach JR, shoutout daw kay Marge Ventahar. And sabi naman ni Mark Rico, let's go Rams. And also, shoutout kay Aaron Abareta ng NCF Junior Cubs. And shout out number 15 to Carl Noel Posada ng Junior Rams.
Yon, thank you very much LA. We have 3 minutes 35 seconds. At eto na, ang full court trapping ng Junior Cubs with 3-point play ng number 24. Yon LA, naitawid nila ng matino ang bola. Kaya nakas-convert sila ng 3 points dito. Eto naman, counter trapping ang ginagawa ng Junior Rams. Number 16, step through, intercepted. Looking for his teammate. Number 2, pass to his teammate. Number 24 now. Ginugulo siya, pero naitawid. Number 55, penetration, drop pass. Ang gandang recovery defense ng Junior Cubs dito. LA, pasalamatan naman natin ang mga sponsors.
Ayan nga, Coach JR, ang sponsors natin ay ang Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Tres de Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, Congressman Gabby Bordado of 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Lemon Residences, Mangox Kinalas, Mansonic Security Agency, NCF Wings, DLMR Psychometric Center, Nagayan Travels and Tours, at Doña Osang Restaurant and Catering Services. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta dito sa season ng Bucal.
Thank you very much LA. Sa hard penetration ng number 55, natawagan ng foul ang Junior Cubs at bibigyan siya ng 2 free throws. 2 minutes 50 seconds, 37-29. Ito, naging 37-30 sa free throw ni number 55 ng Junior Rams na si Soriano Kian Jan. Perfect free throw. Eto, magpapalit ng player ang Junior Cubs. Papasok si Fabricante at ilalabas si Abareta. Eto, full court trapping din ang ginawa ng Junior Rams dito. LA, binigay kay number 8. Pass number, wild pass, 34 now. Gets the basketball to number 18. What a pass! Pero andun yung depensa recovery ni Lucido. What a pass and a sneak shot. Pero what a block ni Lucido, pero may foul lang natawag kay number 18 Luzido. Kaya bibigyan ulit ng 2 free throws si number 55 Soriano Kianjan. LA, matanong kita LA, dito sa ball game is a fast-paced basketball. Ano ang pwede mong maging input at maging lesson sa pagiging commentator, guest commentator intern ng GNN Sports TV?
Usually, need lang talaga ng relax and wag masyadong kabahan kasi kakabahan ka kasi nandito ka na, nanonood live. No, hindi kaya nung dati na nanonood mo lang sa TV.
Pero iba pala ang live kasi mabilis talaga kesa sa television lang. Dati napapanood mo
Fast-paced.
ang Facebook Live ng Bucal. Pero ito, babalik tayo sa ball game LA. Number 18 na steal and na conversion, 2 points plus a foul. Kaya bibigyan siya ng bonus free throw dito para sa Junior Rams. Unti-unti nang nakakahabol ang Junior Rams dito. Ibinigay ng Junior Rams ang sariling depensa ng Junior Cubs. At eto na sobrahan ng lipad si number 18 kaya natawagan siya ng personal foul. Inbounding the ball. Eto, dito mo LA makikita yung mga pinag-prepare ng coaches na set play sa mga inbound plays. Yon, pag sinabing LA na end line inbound, doon yun sa ilalim ng ring. Yon, eto yung gaya ng ginawa ng Junior Cubs. Pero ito nakuha ni number 18 now. Dribbles the basketball. Penetration. Scoop shot. Overshoot it. Pero offensive rebound. Nagagawan sila. Nakuha ni number 9. Okray now. Dribbles the basketball. Overpass it. Yung mga turnover na yan, LA, napakasayang yan. To get a recovery. Ito, inbounding the ball. Trapping ulit. Swing ball. Number 55. Ito, na-adjustan na ng coach ng Junior Rams ang trapping defense na ginagawa ng Junior Cubs at natawagan ng foul ang isang player ng Junior Cubs. Eto ngayon LA, kung makikita mo, binabanggit ng Coliseum announcer natin na penalty. Pag sinabing penalty LA, in every foul situation, bibigyan ka na ng 2 bonus free throw. Gaya nung makikita mo, number 55 now, hindi lang niya na-convert ang kanyang bonus free throw. Eto, 2 free throws to LA. Last free throw, jumpers ready with 1 minute 48 seconds. Unti-unti nang humabol. 3 na lang ang lamang ng Junior Cubs. Last free throw ng number 55 makes it. And nang dahil sa free throw ng Junior Cubs, tumawag ng timeout si Coach Momo ng NCF Junior Cubs with 1 minute 48 seconds. 37-35, 2-point lead ng Junior Cubs. This is your Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 makes in a foul.
here at ADNU University Gymnasium for your Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball. 1 minute and 48 seconds left. At lamang nga, Coach JR, ang Junior Cubs ng 2 points, 37-35 kontra sa Junior Rams.
Yes, LA, eto ngayon, trapping defense ang ginagawa ng Junior Rams, dribble the basketball, it's Fabricante, pero na-recover ni Okray, number 9. Biglang humigpit ang depensa ng Junior Rams, gandang layup yon kung makikita mo, Peña Verde, scoop shot, eto, intercepted by number 7. Wala lang yung layup, sayang yon. Ito, outlet pass, number 34 now. Penetration, binali sa ere. Ibang klase yung penetration drive ng number 24. Ito ngayon, Fabricante ngayon, ginugulo at recovered na number 14, pass to number 18. 34 now, to the corner. Back to his teammate, number 34. Inside play, number 20, fakes, penetration. Ito, tatawagan ng traveling violation. LA, yung traveling violation is an error kung saan naunang nag-step ka bago ka nag-dribble or overstep ka, wala ka ng dribble. Yun. Pero, eto ngayon, naitawid ng Junior Cubs ang bola. Peña Verde now, penetration. Inagawan si Peña Verde. Ayon, at nakitaan na naman ng foul ang Junior Cubs sa kanilang stoppage. Number 9, Okray, pushing the player of Junior Rams. Ito na yung LA yung sinasabi ko. Penalty, anong mangyayari na? Bibigyan siya ng 2 free throws yon. Tama kay LA. Pero unang free throw na number 18 pumasok. Napaka-importante LA ang free throws in every player kasi every point matters sa basketball. Eto, last free throw, wala. Pero nag-agawan sila ng bola. Eto ngayon, mariretain ang bola sa Junior Rams. At dahil bola ng Junior Rams sa kanilang possession, tumawag ng timeout ang coach ng Shepherdville with 32 seconds. 39-38 lamang na lang po ng isa ang Junior Cubs. This is your Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball live here at GNN Sports TV. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
We are back here at ADNU University Gymnasium for your Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball. 32.23 seconds left. And lamang ng isa, Coach JR, ang NCF Junior Cubs.
Yes, bola ng Junior Rams. LA, bago matapos ang second period, bilang intern ng GNN Sports TV sa commentator side, magpasalamat ka na, LA, at to say goodbye sa iyong fans.
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa GNN Sports TV at sa Bucal Executives for giving me this opportunity to become the intern commentator sa Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball.
Yes, thank you very much, LA Lapid, your guest commentator sa ating second period. At sa last game na ito, it's NCF Junior Cubs versus Shepherdville Junior Rams. 15 seconds, swing ball, number 9 now, Okray, setting for a play, number 16. Ito ngayon, Peña Verde, overshoot it, nakuha, number 20 to number 34 now, number 34. It's the end of our first half with 39 against 38, 1 point lead of Junior Cubs. This is your Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball live at GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami sa ating halftime analysis.
Shortstopper using the bat.
Law enforcement requires people. Law enforcement requires materials.
Since childhood, it's part of my dream to become a law enforcer. Part of that dream is the motivation to finish the education intended for law enforcement, and that is criminology education.
Everything that you do should start from planning.
And during that time, wala talagang investigador yung fire service. And that's why some of the senior officer in Region 5 encouraged us to join the fire service. It's good that I was encouraged to take part in the INP fire service because immediately nagamit ko yung investigative knowledge and skills that was part of the learnings in any criminologist education. I was immediately assigned as fire investigator. I started as a fire officer 1, and then I climbed the ladder going to the officership. I go through with the yung tinatawag na career courses and training to become an officer. When I was promoted to the rank of inspector, I was given the chance to hold the position of Naga City Fire Station as the station commander. Yun ang position description nun eh. Ang success ko, di ko ma-achieve without Naga College. Ako naman, hindi ako galing sa mayaman na pamilya. Ang father ko talagang trying to provide us the better education, ay marami kami. We are 10 in the family, so I'm the oldest. So sabi ko, every year, inaano sa bangko yung lupa namin, makakuha ng pera for the tuition fees. Palagay ko, I have to earn my own education. I asked then Dr. Carlo Villanueva. Sabi ko, sir, mag-third year na ako next year. Medyo nahirapan yung parents ko kasi halos sabay-sabay na kami sa college, saka sa high school, saka elementary. So, sabi ko, Doc, pwede ka akong matulungan mo ako makapag-study. Sabi niya, sige. Kinakailangan namin ng working students sa chem lab. Sabi ko, sige Doc, nakuha ko na rin yung chemistry ko, so alam ko na yung mga ginagamit doon and what will be my work. With that, yun ang pinaka-break eh. College education ko rito sa Naga College, sabi nga niyo, sa Tagalog, napakasaya. Kasi unang-una, you are trying to fulfill your dreams. You are also helping your parents at the same time na hindi masyadong maggastos for your education. And also the environment here, napakaganda, solid yung mga department. How to improve the curriculum. Doon namin nakita yung every year may mga improvement yung curriculum. Masasabi namin that is the benchmark pag punta sa excellence ng criminology education sa NCF. And for the student, being poor is not a hindrance to achieve your education. You have to find ways. Only education that wherever you go, even though you do not have the wealth, you can thrive and you can be successful.
Naghahanap ka ba ng one-day printing? Look for AET Ads. We offer tarpaulin printing, billboards, panflex, laser cutting, and stainless for quality signages and many more. Your signage is the face of your business. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? 11 up mo na ang signages at billboard mo. Matatagpuan sa Pabidon 4, Door 5, Panganiban Drive, Naga City, in front of Boy Scout and Girl Scout of the Philippines. Sa Central Branch, located at Barangay Dinaga, Naga City, sa Albay, Barangay Sagbon, Daraga Albay. For inquiries, you may call or text at 205-5322 or 0998-952-7485 and look for Mr. Willis Soliman. AET Ads ka na, your one-day quality printing.
Ano po ang pagkaintindi mo kayang kagawa?
Ang katuyahan po, kan pagkakaigwa ng teleradyo, iyan tanganing mas komprehensibong maipaabot si mga bareta.
Ang nakapalaman sa satuya pong konstitusyon. Ingat lang ta, medyo may COVID pa kita. Luwas mong makaning face mask.
Bako lang po sa radyo,
Asintado!
sa Facebook o social media, kundi pati po sa telebisyon.
Mayo man paulit-ulit. Pagbago na naman ang presidente, arog na naman kayan.
Ako, si Joe Osabal, sa Asintado sa Teleradyo, digdi sa GNTV-48 Naga.
Work with business executive or turn yourself to become one. Explore the career in the world of business with NCF's Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management. This degree prepares you to excel in the financial service sector. Start it right with NCF's College of Accountancy and Finance.
Sa loob ng classroom, yung parang ano ng mga bata, notebook, books, tapos teacher, nagtotalk lang yung teacher. Pero ngayon, dito sa robotics and sciences, parang naglalaro lang at natututo yung mga bata ng mga bagong learning na pwede nilang makuha.
Siyempre, yung technology natin, it's evolving. Yung mga students, they will really experience yung innovative learning. They will really engage with the technology.
This is a 3-year program that will cover from grade 1 to grade 12. So this is not actually a new subject, but this will be to be integrated in our computer subject and TLE. Except for, of course, for the STEM, because STEM really it is a subject wherein they will take as part of their curriculum.
As a parent, I'm so excited and happy that my kid and also the other kids in LCL will learn the basics of robotics. Siyempre, robotics, gusto nila yon at I know that they will enjoy it.
Ang fun po kasi, tapos ang dami pong nalalearn sa robotics. Excited po ako.
Especially sa amin. I think before, this is only introduced sa mga college, especially sa mga engineering courses. But now, it's really an advantage, especially for the children, to remain relevant and competitive, especially in this period of technological advancement.
It makes it interesting because robotics isn't just about how you work with wires, how you work with electricity. It's about elaborating with new people, working with other people, visualizing how you could create more things. Hindi lang puro like, let's say, electric, mga wiring. It's also about teamwork po, being skeptical when it comes to working in robotics. It is very complicated, but I enjoy it a lot because learning new things is my favorite thing.
Actually, this is a pre-program for our basic education department. We will be having this robotics program, but parents will not pay any extra amount of this. So this is an innovation for Naga College Foundation, and of course, to enhance our curriculum, particularly for digital transformation.
As I can see, kapag ang teacher is hands-on talaga sa pagtuturo, lalo na sa robotics na to, the students will really enjoy. It will be very fun and they will really have this learning environment and experiences po na mag-i-enjoy talaga sila.
You should better try new things no matter how difficult it is. Never give up because trying new things can open big possibilities and opportunities around you. You never know kung saan ka magaling, saan ka kailangan mo pa ng improvement. So I think that there's nothing wrong with trying because until you keep on trying, you will achieve a lot of things po and that will help you.
Mas pinalinaw, mas pinalakas, mas pinalawak. Ang GNN TV-48-Naga, digital na! Kung ang inyong TV sets ay digital ready na, pindutin ang scan o search channel button at makikita ang GNN TV Channel 48. Maaaring gumamit ng indoor o outdoor antenna para sa mas klarong panonood. Ganito rin ang gagawin kung kayo ay gumagamit ng digital box. Sa mga susunod na araw, asahan ang mga programang malapit sa puso ng mga Bicolano.
We are back live here at ADNU University Gymnasium for your Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball. We are also live at GNN TV-48 Facebook page at Bucal Facebook page. It's the halftime kung saan ang mashup ng Junior Rams versus Junior Cavs. 39 against 38. Lamang ng isa ang Junior Cavs. At dito sa ating halftime analysis, makikita natin dito na lamang sa 2 points field goal ang SHEPERDVILLE Junior Rams sa 52% laban sa 35% ng Junior Cavs. At dito naman dinaig sa 3 points field goal ng Junior Cavs ang 99%. 5 out of 6 sa 3 points laban sa 33% na 3 out of 9 ng SHEPERDVILLE Junior Rams. At dito naman bumawi ang free throws ng Junior Rams with 53% against 30% ng Junior Cavs. At dito na naig ang full court trapping ng NCF Junior Cavs sa 13 steals against 6 steals ng Junior Rams. Pero sa turnover, hindi nagkakalayo ang dalawang kupunan. ito po ay liga kung saan parehong coaches ay nasa adjustment period. But before that, I'm with the guest commentator for this third quarter, ang aming commentator na magbabalik at dati ng part ng Bucal, Depsy Fernandez. Hello, Depsy! Magandang hapon sa'yo.
Magandang hapon, Coach. Good afternoon, Bicolanja. I am Depsy Fernandez from ADNU University, your guest commentator for this Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball Division.
Yon, Depsy, ano ang feeling na finally naupo ka na dito at sa training natin? Marami tayong ginawa pero nagiging guest commentator ka na ngayon.
Yun nga, Coach, it's an honor to be part of the Bucal community and I'm very happy and excited na makita dito mismo ang mga kaganapan at pasiklaban ng ating mga players inside the hardcourt. And for your information po, last seniors division, I am one of the gatekeepers. I can't believe na nasa commentating side na ako.
Yon, thank you very much, Depsy. Alam mo, nakaka-proud yung mga ganyan. Dati ka ng volunteers ng Bucal, pero ngayon, isa ka ng commentator, guest commentator sa ating junior basketball. Ito naman, Depsy, babalik muna tayo sa ball game kung saan number 22 to number 18, pero scrambles for the basketball. Number 34, gandang depensa nun. Pero, Depsy, bago ang lahat, batiin mo muna yung Facebook live viewers natin na patuloy na tumatangkilik at sumusuporta sa Bucal.
Ayan, happy viewing kay Sandra Villano at Nicole Durante at happy viewing din kay Marnel Postrado and Ciso.
Yun, maraming salamat po sa ating Facebook live viewers. At Depsy, pasalamatan naman natin ang ating sponsors.
We have the Naga College Foundation, Tres de Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, Congressman Gabby Bordado of 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Lemon Residences, Mangkok's Kinalas, Mansonic Security Agency, NCF Wings, DLMR Psychometric Center, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Doña Osang Restaurant and Catering Services, Kamsur Viaje, V-Heart Gallery by NCF, Cap Azon Peñaflor, NCF Driving Schools, Willie and Sons, SMCT Naga, Tigers Cafe, Wow World of Waters, AET Graphic and Ads, at NCF Training Pool.
Thank you very much, Depsy. Ito ngayon, natawagan ng foul ang Junior Cavs, kaya binigyan ng 2 free throws, pero meron whistle dito si referee Bunanong Chomachera at bibigyan ulit ng another bonus free throw si number 34 ng Junior Rams. Wala pa rin pagbabago, Depsy, ang score natin dito. At yon, binanggit ko nga, unang puntos galing sa free throw ng Junior Rams. Ito, pasalamatan mo naman, Depsy, ang Bucal Board of Officers.
We have the President Engineer Mario Villanueva, Vice President John Francis Realubit, Treasurer Joseph Eric Claro, Secretary Don Razon, Auditor Dwight Lamit, the board members Francisco Para Jr. of UNC and John Francis Realubit of UNC. For the Commissioner for Basketball Juniors, Don Razon, Tournament Manager for Bucal Season 4, Dwight Lamit, Tournament Secretary Sophia Benemerito, Commissioner for Volleyball Ruel Rosales, at Tournament Manager for Volleyball Francisco Para Jr.
Yon. Thank you very much sa ating Bucal Executive. At meron na namang whistle ang referee. Tinawagan ng foul ang Junior Cubs dito with 8 minutes and 38 seconds. Out that pass, intercepted, recovered by Palae. Number 16 now to number 22, Abareta, being harassed by number 55. To give an update sa ating courtside reporter, pakinggan natin si Miss Kim. Kim, take it away.
hindi na nasusunod ang pattern natin. Yan ang naging puna ni Coach Ed during the second quarter, reminding the junior Rams to be on their positions. The Ram exchange looks of quiet confidence and motivation to turn things around. All responding affirmed, yes coach. The desire to take the lead became evident dahil nakahabol ang kupunan 39-38, 1 point behind against NCF. Gusto kong trumabaho ang lahat ngayon sa second half. Those were the exact words na binitawan ni Coach Ed after commending the team and encouraging the boys to add more pressure, dagdagan ang depensa sa loob and to lessen the turnovers for the last 2 quarters. Samantala for the NCF Tigers side naman, we're doing good. Ang naging komento ni Coach Momo habang tinitingnan ang stats sheet, ito ay dahil mababa ang kanilang turnovers at mataas naman ang kanilang fast break points. Ganun pa man, hindi daw sila magiging complacent as the jobs are not yet finished. Back to the panel.
Thank you very much, Kim. At eto nga, kung makikita natin, sabi ng head coach ng Shepherdville Junior Rams, it's all about team effort. It's all about adjustment at talagang quoted yon, trumabaho kayo. That's the work. Hindi pa tapos ang laban, kaya kailangan nilang magpursibigi. Ayon naman sa Depsi, ayon naman sa head coach ng NCF Junior Cubs na si Coach Momo, binibigyan niya ang kanyang player ng advice na kailangan nilang maging maingat sa kanilang turnovers at dahil malakas ang kanilang fast break points, nalalapit yan sa mga turnovers. Ito, babalik muna tayo, Depsi, sa ating ball game kung saan lamang na ang Junior Cubs ng 2 points with 7 minutes and 14 seconds. Mayroon ka bang mga katanungan, Depsi, para at least ma-enlighten ka sa basketball world?
Yun nga coach, they are very inspiring ang iyong commentating at bilang isang first-timer commentator, can you share with us ano nga ba ang man-to-man defense?
Yun, eto Depsi, kung makikita mo, on court, ang man-to-man defense, eto in layman's term, kanya-kanyang bantay. Yun, kaya man-to-man. So, kailangan mong bantayan ang isa't isa. 5 yan, 5 against 5. Kailangan may bantay. Pero, meron mga deeper terminologies yan kung saan nagkakaroon ng switching man-to-man over and under. Mga ano na yan, micro skills terminologies na yan. Pero ang layman's term yan, kanya-kanyang bantay, man-to-man. It's all about defense. Number 19 now to number 28, rebounded by number 3. Ito ngayon, hindi tayo nagkakalayo. Ayon nga sa tanong mo, Depsi, half-court man-to-man ang ginagawa ng Junior Rams. At doon, we have a 3 points coming from the center of Junior Cubs, Lavandero. Ito ngayon, dribbles the basketball, pass to number 55, swing ball number 3, alone for 2 points. Na-break nila ang trapping defense. Depsi, meron ka pa bang ibang katanungan para at least, di ba, malaman mo ang basketball side ng different coaches?
At para makapagbigay tayo ng trivia, ano nga ba coach ang transition offense?
Yon, transition offense naman. Ito, yung tinatawag natin na fast break, kung saan na-rebound nila ang bola, galing sa depensa, tapos tumakbo sila patungo sa kanilang court, sa kanilang ring, para i-shoot ang bola ng mabilisan. Fast break. It's also called a fast break and a transition offense yon, para sa kalaman ng lahat. I hope, Depsi, nasagot ko yung katanungan. At pasalamatan mo naman, Depsi, ang ating mga SBP Naga Elite Referees.
SBP NC are headed by Emmanuel Faraon, Technical Commissioners Jim Cadores.
Yon. Thank you very much, Depsi, sa pagbanggit sa ating SBP Naga Elite Referee. At eto na, Depsi, gumagana na naman yung trapping defense ng Junior Cubs. Napakahigpit na depensa. Steal by Balani to Peña Verde. Good for 2 points. Unti-unti nang humihiwalay dito ang Junior Cubs. Number 34. Stop Recovered by number 16. Corner to his teammate for 3. At sa transition offense at trapping defense na ginawa ng Junior Cavs, napatawag ng timeout ang head coach na si Coach Contante ng Shepherdville Junior Rams. 5 minutes, 5 seconds, 53-41. We will be right back for your Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the block. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul.
We are back live here at ADNU University Gymnasium for this Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball Division. At kanina nga, coach, nagtawag ng timeout ang NCF with a score of 53 at ang Junior Rams naman ay 41 points. Dito natin, coach, malalaman ano kaya ang kanilang naging adjustment at kanilang game plan.
Yes, Depsy, thank you very much. Eto ngayon, nakuha ng bola ng Junior Cavs. At nasa momentum pa rin ang NCF with a block and a foul at bibigyan ng 2 free throws ang Junior Cavs. Yun, 2 free throws is awarded to the NCF Junior Cavs player number 16. 4 minutes 41 seconds. Dadagdagan pa niya ang kanilang kalamangan. 53-41. Ito, jumpers get ready na to for the last throw ng number 16. Good for 1 point. At Depsy, kung makikita mo, ito yung tanong mo kanina, trapping defense naman ang ginagawa ng Junior Cavs at bumalik ulit sa kalamangan at hindi na itatawid ng Junior Rams ang kanilang opensa. May babalik ang bola sa Junior Cavs. Number 3 now. Depsy, basahin mo naman at pasalamatan ang ating patuloy na tumatangkilik sa FB Live viewers.
Ayan, shout out kay Gerard Marcos at happy viewing naman kay Lani Sarmiento.
Yan, thank you very much, Depsy. At maraming salamat sa ating Facebook Live viewers. Ito, magbabalik tayo sa ball game. Number 55 inbounding the ball. Out that pass to his teammate. Inside play, walang bantay. At nakawala for the first time ng third period natin, Depsy. Nakascore coming from a transition defense to transition offense ang Junior Rams. Number 16 now dribbles the basketball, being harassed by two opponents. Intercepted. Number 15 now behind the back dribble, looking for his teammate, swing ball. Yun ang problema doon. It's a traveling violation ang itinawag sa isang player ng Junior Rams at babalik ang bola sa Junior Cubs. We have a timeout called by NCF Junior Cubs with 3 minutes 47 seconds, 54-43 lamang ang NCF. This is your Bucal Season 4 only here at GNN Sports TV. Magbabalik po kami.
After using the back, all the way, good for 2 points and a foul. After using the back, all the way, good for 2 points and a foul.
We are back live here at ADNU University Gymnasium for this Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball Division with the remaining, at kanina nga partner nagtawag ng timeout ang NCF with the remaining time of 3 minutes and 47 seconds. Lamang pa rin ang NCF without 54 points versus sa 43 points from Junior Rams.
Yes, Depsy, at nagtawag nga dito ang Junior Cubs ng timeout kung saan magsiset sila ng kanilang offense kasi nasa kanila ang bola ngayon. Nasa 1-2-1-1 trapping din. 3-4 trapping ang Junior Rams. Number 25 now. Eto, nakita ni referee Bong Hulya backcourt violation at maibabalik ang bola sa Junior Rams. Eto, Depsy, pasalamatan mo ulit ang ating butihing Board of Directors, Officers ng Bucal.
Bucal Board of Officers. We have the President Engineer Mario Villanueva, Vice President John Francis Realubit.
Okay, Debsy, thank you very much. We have a timeout called by the Junior Rams with 3 minutes 37 seconds lamang pa rin dito ang Junior Cubs. We have live at ADNU University Gymnasium for your Bucal Season 4. Magbabalik po kami.
After using the back, all the way, good for 2 points and a foul.
We are back live here at ADNU University Gymnasium for this Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball Division. Yun nga partner, coach, nagtawag ng timeout ang ating NCF with the remaining time of 3 minutes and 35 seconds at lamang pa rin ang NCF.
Eto, yes partner, eto ngayon, nag-drive si Peña Verde, overshoot it, pero grabe yung lipad doon, pero natawagan ng foul ang Junior Cubs dito. Kaya mapupunta ang bola sa Rams. Pero dahil sa foul na yon, Debsy, pag sinabi ng penalty, both teams are in penalty situation. Ibig sabihin yan, Debsy, in every foul situation, nagawa na foul, bibigyan ng 2 free throws ang isang player na na-foul. Kaya ngayon, makikita natin, pupunta sa free throw line si number 55 ng Junior Rams para i-convert ang kanyang 2 free throws with 3 minutes and 28 seconds sa ating third period. Ito, Debsy, habang nag-free throw si number 55, batiin mo naman yung mga nanonood dyan at may mga pa-shout out.
Yan, shout out kay Andy Toralba at happy viewing kay Lani Sarmiento. At happy viewing din kay RD Vargas at Nicole Durante.
Yan, thank you very much sa patuloy na tumatangkilik sumusubaybay sa ating Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball. Swing ball, drop pass, penetration, what a pass, overshoot it. Sayang yun, yung mga pasang ganon at tira number 18 now, dribbles the basketball, intercepted, deflected, at binigay at ibabalik ang bola sa Junior Rams. Ito, makikita natin, napakabilis. At dahil nga Junior Edition ito, nakakakita tayo na ng mabibilis, matitikas na mga players. Number 55, sidestepping, layup, no good. Rebounded by number 16, dribbles the basketball. Number 16 now, drop pass to his teammate, no good. Rebounded by number 55 now. Number 18, dribbles the basketball. Drop pass, number 15, what a shot. And a connection from 18 to number 13, number 15 rather. Yun, si number 15. Napakagaling na player. Naghihintay lang ng points dito. Penetration, number 16. At tatawagan ng traveling violation with 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Ito, Debsy, pasalamatan naman natin ulit ang Bucal Board of Officers.
Bucal Board of Officers, we have the President Engineer Mario Villanueva, President John Francis Rialubi, Treasurer Joseph Eric Claro, Secretary Don Razon, Auditor Dwight Lamit, Board Members Francisco Para Jr. of UNC and Francis Rialubit of UNC, Commissioners for Basketball Juniors, Don Razon, Tournament Manager for Bucal Season 4, Dwight Lamit, Tournament Secretary Sophia Benemerito, Commissioner for Volleyball Ruel Rosales, at Tournament Manager for Volleyball Francisco Para Jr.
Thank you very much, Debsy, sa ating mga Bucal Board of Officers. Ito, unti-unti nang humahabol ang Junior Rams at bibigyan ulit ng 2 free throws si number 15 ng Junior Rams. 1 minute 52 seconds sa ating natitirang third period. Debsy, gusto ko naman marinig ang side mo. How was it na nakaupo ka na dito? Ano ang pakiramdam at ano ang experience na madadala mo after netong maging guest commentator ka?
Yun nga po, it was first-timer commentator at honored pa rin na maging part ng Bucal community. Especially here na nakaupo na po ako sa commentating side. And itong experience ito pwede kong magamit in the future po. Yun, Coach.
Thank you very much, Debsy. At ito, 1 minute 45 seconds, Debsy. You have the floor now to thank kung saan man, sino man, para at least sa pagtatapos ng third period, nakapagpasalamat ka.
Yan, gusto ko pong pasalamatan. Siyempre dito sa GNN and Bucal and of course sa ating kasama dito na mga student volunteers. Andyan ang ating gatekeepers, logistics at ating stats teams. Thank you so much po. And siyempre po sa ating mga sponsors, Bucal Season 4 won't be possible kundi po sa kanila. Yun lamang po, Coach.
Yes, thank you very much. Depsy Fernandez, our guest commentator sa ating third period. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Depsy Fernandez. At before that, sa nangyaring eksena, nabigyan ng bonus free throw si number 6-4 sa kanyang conversion 2 points plus a foul. Grabe yung ginawa doon ni 4. Humabol ang Junior Rams at in-stop ni 4 yung momentum ng Shepherdville. Ito ngayon, bola ng Shepherdville. Nakatawid ang bola. Number 18 now. Drop pass, overpass it, recovered by 4. Balani now to number 18. Blocked by Shepherdville. Yun ang mga sayang na pagkakataon. Hindi na-capitalize ni number 25 ang kanyang block at na-outside niya ang bola. At sinasabi ni number 25, dumulas daw ang bola. 49 seconds, 57-51, 6 ang lamang ng Junior Cavs. Inbounding the ball is Abareta to number 25. Balane back to Abareta. 8 seconds to shoot. Peña Verde ngayon. Revolves the basketball. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Lucido. Yun ang problema. Naabutan ng 24 second shot clock violation ng Junior Cavs. 35 seconds. Ito. 2 possession pa ito. Kung maitatawid ng Junior Rams, may pagkakataon ang Junior Cavs dito na may balik ang kanilang bola. Inbounding, number 25 now pass to his teammate. Back to number 18. Penetration, floater shot, no good. Rebound by himself, good for 2 points. Ibang klase yung lefty conversion ni number 18. It's Abareta to Balane. Out that pass. Peña Verde, penetration! What a block by number 24! Ibang klase ng mga junior edition basketball players natin dito. Inbounding the ball is Abareta. Looking for a play with 9 seconds. Inside, what a play! What a fake! 4 now. Balane. Penetration, intercepted. Number 18, that's the end of our third period with 57 against 53. Lamang po ang Junior Cavs ng 4. This is Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Short stopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
We are back live here at ADNU University Gymnasium for your Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball. It's the matchup ng NCF Junior Cubs and Shepherdville Junior Rams with 57-53. Last quarter na po tayo. Lamang po ng 4 ang Junior Cubs. Will it be the Junior Cubs' first win or the second win ng Junior Rams? Inbounding the ball. Ito, na-deflect. Ang gandang depensa nun. Close out. Side ball. Number 55 now. Inbounding the ball. Looking for his teammate. Pass to number 18. Ito si number 18. Kanina pa ito naglalaro. Pero hindi mo makikitaan ng pagod. Intercepted. Scrambles for the basketball. Lavandero gets the ball. Balani now dribbles the basketball. Penetration. Kick out. Natural pitch. Three-pointer. What a play by the NCF Junior Cubs. Number 24 now. Out at pass to number 34 now. Drop pass. No good. Rebound by himself. Overshoot it. Rebound by Junior Cub. It's Okray. Passing the midcourt, signaling for a play. Balani now. In the middle. Swing ball to Okray. Ito, bibigyan ng pick ni Palahe. Pero penetration. Intercepted. Pero andun si Balani. Inside play. What a play by Balani to his teammate Lavandero. Number 18 now. Number 20. Back to number 34 to number 55. Inside play. Fakes penetration. But there's a whistle. Hold on number 3 Lavandero. Ito po, 62-53. 9-point lead. 8 minutes 48 seconds. Papalitan ni Rialo si number 25 Balane, ang kanilang great stopper sa larong ito. At a 3-player substitution ang ginawa ng Shepherdville Junior Rams. Ito, pansamantala muna pong matitigil ang ating laro at time out muna ang ating management at kailangan punasan ang court sa sobrang bilis ng both teams. Talagang makikitaan mo sila ng back-to-back na mga galing sa opensa at depensa. At gusto kong pasalamatan ang ating GNTV-48 family headed by their technical director, Engineer RJ Ribodorial, cameraman Carlo Naldosa, Jamison Berinya, Ricky Nuiz, and ang kanilang admin na napakasipag, Miss Irene Tosok. Yon. 8 minutes 48 seconds, 62-53, and we would like to give thanks also to our sponsors, Naga College Foundation, 3D Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges. Maraming salamat po. At shout out sa mga patuloy na tumatangkilik sumusuporta sa ating Bucal Junior Basketball, to Arian Torres, to Kari Hamis Gonida, Let's Go Rams, Sandra Villano, Marieta Alarcon Clidoro. Then shout out to Jezel Cervantes, Lani Nazarino Sarmiento, Mabet Samar, and to John Paul Narvades. At sa ating butihin na si Jomar De Mariano Brito. At bago yan, pakinggan natin ang ating update sa ating courtside reporter na si Kim. Kim, kumusta dyan? Ano ang update sa both teams?
Yes, Coach JR, it all boils down to consistency and control. Coach Momo emphasized to the Tigers, adding na nasa kanila ngayon ang momentum, extra effort, and mas mahigpit na depensa naman ang kanyang hiniling sa mga Tigre na ipagpatuloy for the remaining quarter. Samantala, hustle, in-court communication at quick decision-making ang dinoble ng Junior Rams coming to the end of the third quarter, making the score difference smaller. Now, for the fourth quarter, both teams during the dugout want nothing but to ignite the remaining fire, energy, and will to win para maiwi ang panalo from this battle. Coach JR?
Thank you very much, Kim, sa napakagandang update. Yon, tama talaga yon. At dito sa pagsisimula ng fourth period natin, umalagwa talaga ang Junior Cavs sa binigay ni Coach Momo na mahigpit na depensa at team effort, both offense and defense. At eto namang Junior Rams, kung saan sinasabi ni Coach na patuloy nilang i-execute ang kanilang game plan, both offense and defense, at kailangan nilang itawid ang bola sa mahigpit na full court trapping na ginagawa ng Junior Cavs. Eto ngayon, number 10 Palahi gets the basketball. It's Okray now, passing the midcourt, pass to number 16. Number 16 now. Pass to number 3, Lavandero. Back to number 16. Number 16 now. Swing ball. Rialo back to number 16 with 5 seconds. Inside play. What a play by number 16 to Palahe. Number 15 back to number 55 now. Harassed by Rialo, number 24. Number 55, swing ball. Fakes out that pass. Overshoot it. Overpass. At yun nga ang patuloy na sinasabi ni Head Coach Contante sa kanyang mga players na kailangan nilang makontain ang kanilang errors sa binibigay na pressure defense ng Junior Cavs. Palahe dribbles the basketball, intercepted. Number 24 now. Pass to number 55. Gandang depensa. Okray gets the basketball. Penetration alone for 2 points. Number 28 now. Back to number 28. Solid ang defense ng Junior Cavs dito at ginugulo talaga. Eto, intercepted. Rialo gets the basketball. Pass to Okray. Okray fakes. Penetration, sidestep, kick out. Other side of the basketball. No good. Rebounded by number 15. Rebound the basketball. Eto, nagmamadali ang Junior Rams. Thinking 3. Good for 3 points. Number 15. Transition 3 points yon. It's number 16. Pass to number 9, Okray. Okray now dribbles the basketball. It's number 16, penetration. Pero kick out siya. Labas kay Okray. Swing ball. Number 9, Okray. No good. Rebounded by number 55 now. Nagmamadali rin siya. Eto, pass to his teammate. Swing ball. Dribbles the basketball. Number 15 now. Looking for a pick. Eto, uulitin ba niya? No good. Great rebound by number 3, Lavandero to Rialo to Okray. Okray now back to Rialo. Eto, napakabilis. Pero, na-steal na number 15 ang bola. Penetration, layup. No good. Rebounded. Okray to number 16. Number 16. What a dribble. What a crossover. Side step, Euro. What a shot. What a move by number 16. I-half step, step through, and a Euro. Crossover ang ginawa ng number 16. Basket and a foul. 5 minutes 27 seconds sa ating natitirang fourth and final period. Biglang umalagwa ang kalamangan ng Junior Cavs with 15 points at dadagdagan pa ni number 16 dito ang puntos ng Junior Cavs. Ito, magpapalit ng player. Number 18, Lucido coming in for number 16, Nowada. Number 34 now, inbounding the ball. Pass to the middle. Pass to number 15, crossover. Back pass to his teammate, signaling for a play. Number 15 now, being harassed by Peña Verde. Number 15, swing ball. Penetration elbow, kick out, number 34, no good. Battle for rebound. Overpass it, recovered by number 34, baseline attack, no good. There's a whistle. It's a foul committed by number 34. Yun nga ang sinasabi ng ating courtside reporter kanina na hindi nila papakawalan ayon kay Coach Momo ang momentum na nakuha nila sa fourth period pero na still Junior Rams now crossover binali pero nandun ang napakahabang kamay ni Palahe. Eto, bibigyan ng foul ang Junior Rams dito. Eto ngayon, at 4 minutes 46 seconds with 72:56. Lamang po ang Junior Cubs dito. Lavandero, Abareta now. Natawagan ng 24-second shot clock violation ang Junior Cubs. Bola ngayon ng Junior Rams. With 4 minutes and 39 seconds. Happy viewing sa lahat na nanonood sa ating Facebook Live viewers. Maraming salamat po. Number 18. Number 15 now. No good. It's Abarata behind the back. Intercepted. Number 15 to his teammate. Behind the back dribble. No look pass. Corner. Overshoot it. Rebound by number 34. Wala. Agawan ng bola. Iba talaga ang matangkad na kuha ni Lavandero. Pass to Abareta. Abareta now. Umikot. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 18 now. Number 18 ng Rams. Behind the back. Gets the ball. Pass to his teammate. Looking for his teammate. Pero intercepted by Abareta to Peña Verde. Number 4 now. Peña Verde. Umikot. Layup. What a shot by Peña Verde. Number 4. Makikita natin yung explosiveness at maturity ni Peña Verde in terms of open court basketball. Ayan naman, Peña Verde, sidestepping, pinasabit pa yung number 25. Sa foul na yon, bibigyan ng 2 free throws si number 4, Peña Verde, with 3 minutes and 36 seconds, 74-56 lamang po ang Junior Cubs dito. 2 free throws is awarded to number 4, Peña Verde. We would like to give thanks also to our SBP Naga City Elite Referee headed by Emmanuel Faraon. Tapos ang kanilang Technical Commissioner Sir Jim Cardores. Crew Chief Bong Julia. Umpire 1 Ronnie Malineza and Umpire 2 Bonanong Chomacera. Table officials Rosel Punting, Lourdes Orsena and McLean Gamil. We have a timeout. 3 minutes 29 seconds ang natitira sa ating fourth and final period. Lamang pa po ang Junior Cubs dito. This is your GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon sa Bucal Season 4 ng Junior Edition. Magbabalik po kami.
Short stopper using the block. All the way, number 2 makes in a foul. using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Number 18 now. What a block by Labandero. And we would like to give thanks sa aming butihin na President ng Naga College Foundation, Engineer Mario C. Villanueva. Maraming salamat, sir. Happy viewing. Number 18 now. Thinking 3. No good. Rebounded by Peña Verde now. Dribbles the basketball. Harassed by number 18. Drop pass to Lucido. Intercepted. Out that pass. Overpass it. Turnover. Laban sa turnover. May babalik ang bola sa Junior Cavs. Peña Verde now. To Palae. Being harassed by number 34. Happy viewing sa atin Facebook Live viewers. Carl James Gunida, Sandra Villano. Maraming salamat. Number 18 now. Scoop shot. Rebounded by number 3. Pass to number 25. Pareha. Hindi nagkaamuyan yung dalawang player. Another turnover committed by the Junior Rams. Inbounding the ball. Ito, full court trapping na naman. Last 2 minutes. Our last 2 minutes is brought to you by Lemon Residences. NCF Wings, because Tigers can have wings. Avareta now revolves the basketball. 1-on-1, crossover, step through. What a pass, what a shot, and a conversion for number 10, Palahe. 1 minute, 38 seconds. 77-56. Palahe number 10, bibigyan ng bonus free throw. With 1 minute 38 seconds sa ating fourth and final period. Number 25 now. Out that pass. Number 25. Step back 3 points. Kulang. Mapupunta ang bola sa Junior Cavs. We have a timeout called by the Junior Cavs with 1 minute 24 seconds, 78-56. We will be right back dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium for your Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball. Lamang dito ang Junior Cubs. Scoop shot, rebounded by number 18. What a play by number 18. Inbounding the ball is Abareta ng Junior Cubs. Binigay kay Palahi, number 10. Palahi now, dribbles the basketball. Iba talaga yung tikas ni Palahi. Magaling mag-dribble kahit matangkad. Eto na, Lucido. Crossover, umikot. Nawala ang bola, pero ayun. Isang depensa, scrambles for the basketball. Nakuha ng Junior Rams. Number 34, intercepted by Lavandero. Delikado talaga yung mga cross-court pass na yan. 2 pass away. It's Peña Verde now, harassed by number 18. 35 seconds. It's Abareta. Dribbles the basketball. Penetration, step through. Scoop shot, no good. Nandun yung defense number 34. Deflected by Peña Verde. Scrambles for the ball. It's number 10. Ito ngayon. Meron tayong injury update. At si Peña Verde mukhang nag-cramps dito. With 10 seconds remaining time, 78-58. We would like to give thanks sa ating Bucal Board of Officers, to President Engineer Mario Villanueva, Vice President John Francis Laria Lubit, Treasurer Joseph Eric Claro, Secretary Don Razon, Auditor Dwight Lamet, and Board Members Francisco Para of UNC and John Francis Ria Lubit of the UNC. Maraming salamat po. At sa ating sponsors, Camsur Viaje, V-Art Gallery by NCF, Cap Azon, Peñaflor, NCF Driving School, Willie & Sands, SMCD Naga, Tigers Cafe, Wow, Worlds of Water, AET Graphics and Ads, NCF Training Pool. Maraming salamat. At sa ating mga tumangkilik, sumubaybay at sumuporta sa ating Facebook Live viewers, maraming salamat. At maraming salamat din sa Bucal volunteers natin at sa Bucal statisticians team. Yon, to Fatima, Kyle, Kel, Hanilin, to Charles. Maraming salamat to John Derek Berze. Maraming salamat po. Ito, inbounding the ball. 10 seconds. I think this is final now. 78-58. First win nakuha ng Junior Cubs. This is your Bucal Season for Junior Basketball only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami sa ating best player of the game.
Short stopper using the block. All the way. Look for 2 points and a foul.
Yes, Coach JR, the best player of the game is brought to us by NCF College of Engineering, the best geodetic school in the Bucal region. And now, kasama ko po kayo ng ating best player of the game. We have jersey number 16, Nuada, with 15 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 block, and 3 steals. Congratulations. Good afternoon. Unang laban at unang panalo para sa ating NCF Cubs. Now, Nuada, what was your nickname again?
Baya po.
Baya yan. Baya, eto. Sabi, during the preparation for this game, sabi ng buong team, including the coaching staff, na ang Shepherdville Junior Rams ay isa sa pinakamahirap na teams na kailangang na makakalaro nyo sa bracket B. Now, how does it feel like winning against the SVC Junior Rams, considering nga na sila ang pinakamahirap sa bracket B?
Masaya po kasi nanalo po kami. Hard work pa po sa susunod na laban kahit na ano po. Bukas po may laro na naman. Ano lang po. Dati lang po. Depensa. Tapos ano lang po. Basta depensa lang po.
Ito, Baya, since na-mention mo nga bukas may laban na naman, if hindi ako nagkakamali, St. Joseph School. Now, lessons usually come from defeat. Pero from this win, ano sa tingin mo yung mga dapat pang tutukan ng team? At ikaw, especially, ano pa yung mga dapat tutukan at i-improve para masiguro ang win sa bawat laban dito sa Bucal, lalo na sa inyong laban bukas kontra the St. Joseph?
Depensa po. Tapos teamwork lang po palagi. Yun lang po. Tapos magsunod sa kay Coach Momo tapos sa coaches na iba.
Eto, Nuada, meron ka bang gustong pasalamatan at i-shout out the best at your time?
Shout out po sa pamilya ko sa Albay, sa Kamalig Albay po. Tapos mga barkada ko man po sa Kamalig. Tapos mga teammates ko po.
Shout out sa kami!
Kina mama po, papa, kina kuya. Tapos kay Trace po, shoutout po.
Alright, that's a lot of energy coming from our winning team, the NCF Cubs. Congratulations once again, Baya, Nuada, unang laban at unang panalo ng NCF Cubs. Considering also that you are only 17 years old and first time mo palang maglaro dito sa Bucal Rookie Player also. Congratulations once again, and there you have it, mga kaibigan na ating best player of the game. This has been Kimberly De Alanes, your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball Division. Back to the panel.
Thank you very much, Kim, sa ating best player of the game, si Nuada James with 15 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 block, and 3 steals. Ito po, we would like to give thanks sa ating Shepherdville Junior Rams at congratulations to the NCF Junior Cubs for winning the game. So, on behalf of the GNN, Technical Director RJ Rebordreal, Cameraman Carlo Naldoza, Jamison Brina, Ricky Nuiz, and Ms. Irene Tusok, and to our Bucal Tournament Commissioner, Sir Don Razon. This is Coach JR Pargo. So long, everyone, until the next Bucal Season 4 Junior Basketball.
Shortstopper using the clock.